Hey guys, it is Alex Branding here, and things are about to get really good. We're in day 4 of Alex Hormozi's $100 million leads book. My name is Alex Branding, and I am breaking down how to use this in your insurance business. As a reminder, Alex Hormozi is not involved in this process. I'm just a huge fan of his, read his book, loved it, and I eat, breathe, and sleep insurance marketing. So I'm breaking this thing down and I'm helping insurance agents take action on what he teaches. But you should definitely go buy his book. On day 1, we talked about buyer leads and how to identify your ideal avatar and attract them. Day 2, we talked about going from one-to-one to one-to-many. And then yesterday, we talked about the core 4, really setting us up for the different types of lead generation methods that there are. And today, we are going to get started on warm reach outs. And hopefully by the end of this, you're going to be inspired to take massive action with the people that you already have in your database. So here is a graphic. I love how Alex Hormozi does this in his books. He creates a visual representation of the lesson. And in this case, check out how many different ways he is reaching out to the person who knows you. This is a person who's on your database, they're on your list, or they're in your audience. It's a pixel audience, somebody who has already been to your website or watched a video. Look at how many ways there are to reach out. This is how many different ways he uses it. And I'll explain what I think where insurance agents miss the boat. First, email. I think we do a pretty good job of emailing folks. Phone call. Come on now. We know that we're kind of a lazy bunch there. We should definitely do more phone calls. Direct messaging on social media. This is something that I think a lot of insurance agents are not doing right now. And this is a huge marketing opportunity for you. This takes a little bit more effort, but man, is it worth it. I've tried it myself and we have had amazing success when we identify the lead that has reached out. Maybe they filled out a form. They've somehow given us their information, going and finding them on our favorite social media platform, whether it's Facebook or LinkedIn, and then connecting with them and sending them a message. That sort of outreach has done wonders for us. And if you're not already doing that, Hormozi talks about it a little bit in the book. If you're not already doing that, add that to your repertoire of warm outreach methods. You will close more deals because people have gotten used to ignoring phone calls from people they don't know. They've gotten used to ignoring emails that they don't want to read. But direct messages and text messages are still the king and queen when it comes to response rates. And a lot of us send SMS. We're doing good on that, but direct messaging on social media, definitely add that to your repertoire. Now, I would not be a good software guy here if I did not talk about A2P. Let's quickly identify some problem areas that you may run into. If you text someone and do not include the text stop to opt out message, then you could be getting yourself into trouble, even if they already know and like you. So be careful on that. And then ringless voicemails. Do not recommend doing that. If you call them and don't get a hold of them, then yes, leave a voicemail. But that whole whisper voicemail thing puts you in a danger zone when it comes to phone marketing. So I would just caution you on that. Once you've started to get the hang of these warm reach outs, then I love the next graphic over where we talk about automating this and doing it in bulk. You can do that with emails. You can do that with text, direct message. Sometimes if they're on your if they've already subscribed to you, most don't. So that's still going to be a one-to-one. And then of course, phone calls is one-to-one. But I love how Hormozi pushes us to not only expand the number of things that we're doing, but then he pushes us to take massive action and do it in bulk. And so if you're watching this right now, you want to just make a commitment to yourself that if a lead is in your database and they have raised their hand and expressed interest in working with you, you will use all of the mediums possible to stay in front of them, because it is your responsibility to serve and support these leads at the highest level. And oftentimes it's simply a matter of tapping them on the shoulder one more time. And usually when it's in a medium where they least expect it, that's what catches their attention and gets them back on the phone. So I want to encourage you, make sure that you're doing all 5 of these because they all work. They are all effective. They are all welcomed by your prospects that have raised their hand already. And it's just a matter of them setting aside the time to talk with you to learn exactly how you can serve and support them. So Go for it, insurance agent watching this, and make sure that you subscribe and join me tomorrow because we're diving into another fun lesson from Alex Hormozi's book, $100 Million Lead. Hey, what's up, everyone? It is Alex Branning here. Thank you for watching. I would love to connect with you. Please follow me on your favorite social media platform. My username is Alex Branning, and you should definitely get Alex Hormozi's book. Go to acquisition.com/books. Grab the $100 million leads and all the other stuff he offers. He is a fantastic author and probably one of the best in the marketing game right now. So follow him, buy his stuff, and I will see you tomorrow. Go ahead and subscribe.